Here I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, open settings, scroll down to bottom, go to the system and update section, date and time. So firstly, you can change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour, and you can change your date and time if you disable this feature set automatically. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time, and you can also change your time zone here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.